So now coming lecture number 2. The following are three kinds of meter scale used by people. It is a meter rod made of iron. Yes, nowadays, okay, when we solve math, then we use the scale which is made of iron. Okay, we use the plastic one also, and we use the made of iron or wood. Yes, we use by if we have to make any geometric figure, we have to if we have to draw any centimeter length, okay, any meter length in our copy, then we use a scale. Okay, it is made up of plastic also, it is made up of iron also, and it is made up of wood also. So this is the first thing. First you will use, that is meter rod, okay, which is made of iron, plastic or wood. Nowadays people use this form. Second is, it is a meter scale used by masons and carpenter. Okay, there is a meter scale when you have to stretch it, and when you, so meter scale used by masons and carpenters. Now, when you will go into any clothes shop, so there is a tailor. Tailor use meter. Tailor also use meter scale. So whatever the mason and carpenter use, then you have to stretch it. But whatever this tailors they have used, they have also very thin. That is also known as meter scale. So meter scale is also they can use their meter scale also. Okay, so meter scale is also used by tailors. Fourth is, this ruler is generally used by students. Yes, I told you, na. So whatever the first one I have given, in that plastic is not there. Okay, so last one is meter. Okay, generally that is known as ruler. Okay, generally it is known as ruler or a scaler. Scale is used by students. Okay, that is a scale. Scale we say ruler also, and scale we say scale also. And what is ruler? So when we measure distance between two places, then we use, okay, small distance as a distance between 2 points. Small distance, because place we cannot measure with the scale. Okay, so like 2 point is given, one, this is A, this is B. So with the help of ruler we can easily what measure it. So we can measure small distances between 2 points with the help of ruler or scale. So there is some question is there in page 167. Measure the length of your mathematics book. So you can measure it. You can measure the length and length only. Okay. Measure the height of your teacher table. You can measure the height of your teacher table. So third is measure the height of your frame. Okay, with the meter scale which is used by tailors. You can use that. Four is measure the length and width of your mathematics book. You can measure the length and breadth of your your mathematics books. Length this, breadth this. Now we will come to addition, length. So see, actually length, standard form is the length is meter. Okay, but the smaller unit is meter is centimeter. That I will tell you in page number 168. So come to page number 168. Addition. Okay, so add. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. When you are changing meter into centimeter, you have to multiply with 100, and when you will change centimeter into meter, you have to divide from it. So there no there in page 168 This is simply addition. No use of this. Just for your knowledge, I am telling you. Okay. In page number 168, there is simply example is there. Sorry, addition is there. Like 48, 32, 34 and 28. Okay, this is carrying at 2 plus 8, 10, 1. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Now come to this one. 8 plus 4, 2, 12. 4 plus 1, 5, 3, 8. So it is 2 meter and 60 centimeter is your answer. So you can 168, you just add and write the answer. Okay, so now we will come to page 169. Is subtraction. Meter, centimeter. 47, 39, 12, 28. Means 47 meter, 39 centimeter, 28 meter and 12 centimeter. Now subtract 9 minus 2, 7. 3 minus 1, 2. 17 minus 8, 9. So it will become 3. 3 minus 2, 1. You need not to cross and write it. Okay, you just do it in your mind and write the answer. So answer will be 19 meter, 27 centimeter. Now we come to page number 170. Problems on length. Now what problem you will see? Problem on length. So see one question here. Ram bought 2 meter long cloth for his shirt and 3 meter for his father's shirt. How much cloth did he buy? 2 meter for his shirt and 3 meter for his father's shirt. So how many length of cloth he has bought? Very easy. See, Ram bought, okay, for his shirt. How much? 2 meter. And for his father, okay, he bought 3 meter. So question is, how much cloth did he buy? So therefore total meter of cloth he bought, and 2 plus 3, 5 meter. Okay. So this is when you will solve in your book, you have to write this. Sorry, in your copy, then you have to solve this way. But when you will write in your copy, so see, this is a form of meter, so you have to write METRE. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. If it is in the form of centimeter, then you will write centimeter and you have to centimeter. Spelling is CENTIMETRE. When you will find in the term of meter, then you will write meter. When you will find in the term of centimeter, you will write centimeter. Question number 2. Bimla bought 12 meter of lace and Kuljit bought 35 meter. How many meter lace did they buy? Sorry, this is addition. 3. Rahim has 258 meter long rope. He cuts rope into 2 pieces. If one piece cut this, find the length of the other pieces of the rope. So see, number 3 is subtract. Okay, the Rahim bought 258 meter of clothes. So meter 258, and he cuts 2 pieces. One piece is in 194. So tell me the other pieces will be which length? So 8 minus 4, 4. 15 minus 9, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. So the other piece length will be 64 meter. 4. Subhas has 800 meter cloth in his shop. He sells 381 meter in a week. How much cloth is left now? So this is also subtract. 5 is a boat train is 157 meter long and the passenger train is 89 meter long. Which train is longer? So this is also subtract. This in this addition and subtraction is mixed. Like 6. The price of 1 meter of cloth is 8 rupees. Find the price of 35 meter of this cloth. The price of 1 meter of cloth is 8 rupees. Find the price of 35 meter of this floor. So 6 number is multiplied. Okay. 5 into 8 40, 4 8 into 3 24 plus 28. Okay, so addition also mixed, multiplication is also mixed, and subtraction is also mixed. So you can easily do page number 170, whatever example I have explained. In next classes I will start page number 171. So for now, goodbye to all.